In this episode, we're going to look at the inbuilt physics system. Let's open the entity editor. I've made a simple player prototype with a physics component. Let's view it. The first thing to notice is that when viewing the physics component, a circle tool appears. If we click in the circle, a line is drawn. If we play the scene, we see the entity moves in the direction of the line. Notice how the entity didn't slow down? This is because it's currently using a velocity-based model rather than a force-based model. When using the velocity model, the speed and direction of an entity will only change when the user says so. Physics forces will not act on it. It can still exert physical forces, but will not receive them. To change between models, we modify the canReceiveForces variable in the physics component. When this is checked, the movement of an entity is dictated by three factors: mass, drag, and the forces acting on an entity. To apply forces, use the addForce method of the physics component, which we'll visit in the next episode. Let's change our player to a force-based model and set the mass and drag values. Drag should be a value between 0 and 1, with values under 10 working quite well for mass. When we play the scene again, this time the entity slows down and comes to a stop.